In Arabic, there are two types of sentences. One which is jumlatu ismiyatu, and the other is jumlatul fi'liyatu. Jumlatul fi'liyah we will learn later. Now we will touch on jumlah ismiyah, which is nominal sentence. The sentence which carries isms. Okay? A sentence that starts with a noun. That is called nominal sentence. It starts with a noun. And a nominal sentence, jumlatul ismiyah, what will you look for a nominal sentence or jumlatul ismiyah? What will you be looking for? First, you will try to find what is the mubtada. Mubtada, which is a subject, and the khabar, which is the predicate. In a jumlatul ismiyah, you should be having these two. If you don't have a khabar, if you only have a mubtada and sifa whatsoever without a khabar, then it is not a sentence. It's not a complete sentence. A complete sentence must carry mubtada. Number one is the mubtada, and number two is the khabar. You must find these two in a nominal sentence, in a jumlatul ismiyah. Not only that, you should know that any subject, any mubtada, the subject is always marfu'. As we learned earlier, there are three cases. Case ending in a noun, which is marfu', mansub, and majrur. But for mubtada, it is always marfu'. The predicate is always marfu' too. So, if you find in a sentence, jumlatul ismiyah, the mubtada should be marfu' and the khabar too should be marfu'. Both endings are dhammah. The predicate is always nominative, which is marfu'. It is if it is one word. Because khabar sometimes carry not only one word but a sentence. There are a few which we will learn later. The subject is mostly definite, ma'rifah, which is the mubtada. Mubtada is always ma'rifah, but sometimes you will find nakirah, but there are reasons for it. Now, bear in mind that mostly subject is definite, which is ma'rifah. Then the predicate is mostly indefinite. Okay. You can see here an example of a nominal sentence. Why do we say it's a nominal sentence here? Because a sentence starts with an ism. Any sentence starts with an ism is a nominal sentence. So here it starts with al-kitab. Al-kitab carries alif lam. So it is, and it is also marfu' and carries alif lam, which is ma'rifah. This is ma'rifah, alif lam is ma'rifah, and marfu', therefore it is mubtada. Because it is ma'rifah and marfu'. You can find here. Then Jadidun. Jadidun is a khabar. Why? Because it is nakirah. Why nakirah? It has dun here. Oh, my turn. And then it is marfu'. Remember the characteristic of mubtada and khabar are always, always, always marfu'. There's no mansub or majrur for khabar and mubtada. All right. So this is khabar because it is nakira and also it is marfu'. Nakira and marfu'. Therefore, this is a complete sentence. Al-kitabu jadidun. The book is new. That goes to al-qalamu maksurun. Al-qalamu maksurun. Al-qalamu, this one has al in front of it. So, and it carries a dhamma, which is marfu. So this is, it is ma'rifah and it is also marfu. Therefore, it is mubtada. That goes to maksurun. It's the same as jadidun. And okay, hada baitun. Hada means this, but hada doesn't carry alif lam. Hada doesn't carry alif lam, but it is said that this is mubtada. Why? Because this is ismul isyarah. Any ismul isyarah is always ma'rifah, must bear in mind. Any ismul isyarah is always ma'rifah. That's why it is mubtada. But you can't find a dhamma at hada. Why? Because it's always, the spelling is hada. There's no such thing as hadu, hadi. There's no such thing as hadu, hadi. It is always hada. It is mabni on fathah. Therefore, it is in the place of marfu'. But because it is mabni, so the pronoun is hada. It's not hadu. Hada. It is marfu. It is ma'rifah. Is in the place of marfu. It is mubtada. This is ma'rifah. Must remember, any isim isyarah is ma'rifah. And baitun, of course, is nakirah and is a khabar. I think I shall stop here, inshallah. We'll continue with the Madinah Arabic reader, inshallah, the next round.